Good morning, everybody. It's Tatiana and your Moscow weather report. Today is the 28th of May. The May is nearly finished. The summer is here. The weather is very nice and sunny. It's 25 degrees Celsius. I can say that at the sun it feels like more, but the wind helps us to feel fresh. In Fahrenheit, it's 77 degrees. Oh, I think you can hear me well because the wind is nice and quite strong. And we have, you see, trees that are shaking in the wind. I hope you have a very nice day and very nice weather where you are. See you tomorrow. Bye.